Welcome back, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bypass signing into your Wi-Fi on your Windows 11 setup. Let's get right into it, quick and easy. What we're going to do is we're going to press Shift F10. We're going to get into the administrator tools. You're going to type in Task MGR. Enter. Okay, you're going to get into your Task Manager, and you're going to view more details. And you're going to look for the process that says network connection flow. You're going to go and you're going to end task. And if you exit out of this, you'll see that you've bypassed it. You can put your name in there. User, let's just do no passcode. Let's just click no. Oh no, I don't really care about this. No. And there you go. You're in Windows 11. So that's how you pass the Wi-Fi in Windows 11 setup, so you don't have to sign into a Microsoft account.